for today's video, we are going to be reviewing text features. Go ahead and say that word with me. Text features. Awesome job. All right. Text features. Authors choose text features to help explain ideas and to help readers locate information. Now, where are we going to find text features in? A fantasy book or a informational book, a nonfiction book? What do you think? A nonfiction book that has real information, right? An informational book. Remember, authors' purpose for writing informational books are to what? To teach us, to give us real information, right? Okay, so let's get it started. We're going to just review all of these text features. Remember, some of them we've already learned, and some of them are new, okay? So diagrams. Go ahead and say the word diagrams with me. Diagrams. Excellent. Diagrams are pictures with labels that tell what each part is. So here's the example of the barn. Here's the labels: roof, window, door. So remember, diagram. It's the picture and the labels. Okay? Let's go over here to labels. Labels name parts of a picture. So here's the picture and here are the labels: leaf, trunk. So remember, diagram is the picture and labels. Labels are just the words. Okay? Okay. So next one is this right here. These two are the same. Text can be in different colors. The colors can mean something or just be for fun. So if you remember the other day, I showed you an example from an informational book of text that was a different color. What was that? Does anyone remember? It was the heading. It was white, yellow, and I think blue. And they made it colorful so it could stand out, and it was fun. But it was also letting us, the reader, know that, hey, these next couple pages, they're important. If they're going to be about the solar system. That's why they're colorful, because they need to stand out. Okay? Next one is maps. Can you say the word maps with me? Maps. Good job. Maps are small pictures of big places. So this is an example of a map. Okay, the next one is pictures. Pictures may be drawings. What does that mean? Pictures may be drawings. Well, what that means is we're going to see a picture where someone drew, right, with a pencil, crayon, marker, whatever it may be. They did not use a camera, though. It's a drawing, okay? Pictures. All right, our last text feature is bigger text. Do you remember what I told you yesterday, the other day about bigger text? What are some different words we can use for bigger text? We could use bold word or keyword, right? So text can be in different sizes. Bigger text is usually more important than smaller text. So this right here is an example of bigger text. Right here, see how this this text is smaller? It's because they want this to really stand out so the reader really notices this word. Okay. All right, so that was just our little review of our text features. I hope you enjoy the rest of today's lesson.